Hello, John.
Hi, Emma.
I have heard that a fourth heating tank needs to be added.
That's correct, there is currently not enough capacity.
How large does the tank need to be?
It needs to be significantly larger than the largest tank we currently have, with a capacity of about 3 cubic meters.
Wait, I'll write it down. That's quite a substantial capacity, and it needs to be heated to a high temperature quickly, right?
That's correct, to about 90 degrees, and it shouldn't take longer than half an hour.
Then we need an electric heating coil with a high power output.
Absolutely, and we also need to be able to cool the liquid. For that, we will need a cooling coil. There's quite a lot of noise here. Shall we continue our discussion in the office?
Great, good idea. Let's start with a cup of coffee, shall we?
Nice.
John, I saw in the factory that the tanks are interconnected. So, liquids are flowing into the new tank. This can also cause the temperature in the tank to change.
I think so too. The temperature must remain constant at 90 degrees Celsius, so it's advisable to use a thermostat. I will draw the tank on the screen. It will make the discussion easier. Here it is.
Clear, John. The tank is made of stainless steel, right? This also needs to be heated, of course.
Yes, and if we want to heat efficiently, we need to insulate the tank well. This should also make the heating process faster, I think.
It is quite complicated, and designing the tank isn't easy. I have no idea how large the power of the heating coil should be.
Me neither. I'll write down what we have so far on the whiteboard.
I'll go see Linda from the engineering department. She can help us with the design of the tank. Thanks for now, John.
See you next time, Emma.
Hi, how are you, Linda?
Hello, Emma. Everything is fine.
You know that a large new heating tank needs to be installed in the factory. We are having trouble with its design. Can you help us?
Yes, I know about it. I could run a computer simulation for you.
That sounds great. Can you explain what a computer simulation is, and how it can help us?
Sure. A computer simulation is a mathematical model of the heating process of the tank. It can predict how long the heating will take before the tank is actually built.
Wow, that's really useful. So, you can adjust different heating coils in the model, and see how it affects the heating time. That's exactly what we need.
Exactly. You can also test the effect of the tank's insulation. Plus, if you want, I can add a thermostat to the model. The simulation will produce graphs showing temperature versus time. Very practical.
So, a simulation is like a design tool?
That's right. You typically use a simulation before detailing the design and creating the CAD drawings.
That's fantastic. When do you think you can have the simulation and results ready?
I think I can have it done by the end of the afternoon.